This is how to clean your mattress and remove hidden dirt using a simple homemade solution that only takes a few minutes to prepare. First, take a large container and add 1 tablespoon of your favorite fabric softener. Fabric softener helps leave the mattress smelling clean after the process is complete. Now add 1 tablespoon of disinfectant. This helps clean the surface and reduce odors trapped in the fabric. Next, add 1 tablespoon of liquid soap. Liquid soap helps loosen dirt, body oils, and dust that accumulate on the mattress over time. Now add 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Vinegar helps break down residue and remove odors embedded in the fabric. Then add 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol. Alcohol helps speed up the drying process and assists with cleaning the surface. As the final ingredient, add 2 cups of warm water. Warm water helps combine all the ingredients and allows them to spread evenly through the towel. Mix everything together thoroughly. Now take a clean towel and submerge it in the solution. Wring the towel out very well until it is only damp. The goal is to clean the mattress, not soak it. Using firm pressure, rub the towel across the entire surface of the mattress. As you wipe, the towel helps lift dust, dirt, body oils, and other debris that may be trapped in the fabric. Continue until you have cleaned the entire mattress. Once dry, the mattress will look cleaner, smell better, and feel fresher to sleep on. If you found this tip helpful, save this video so you can come back to it later.